everyone, welcome to my channel Rafi Automation. Today in this video I will share with you one project for chiller in Logo PLC, how we can program the PLC for two chillers. So friends, I have two chillers. I will do the program that my chiller will work every day. One chiller will work and next day another chiller will work, and if there is any fault in one chiller, the next chiller will take the load automatically. So how we can generate the program for that purpose? Let's get started. So friends, I have two timers. It's weekly timers in Logo PLC, and this is transfer. This is the timer one for channel number one. You can see here I have mentioned the name as well. It's written here chiller one, and this is friends AND gate, and this is OR gate, and this is one NOT gate B006, and Q1 is my one output for chiller number one from the PLC output Q1, and the next B002 is timer number 2, and it's connected to AND gate as well. You can see here it's AND gate. A timer number 2 is connected to AND gate number 2, and it's an OR gate, and here I have Q2 output for chiller number 2, and I have two inputs, friends. It's the fault signal from chiller number 1, I1. If there is any fault in the chiller, it will comes on the PLC input I1, and this is the fault signal from I2. So normally I will receive my I1 in normal condition. If there is any fault, the I1 signal will be disconnected in the input I1. If there is fault in chiller number 2, so the I2 input on I2 will be disconnected. So how we can do the programming? I will show you the simulation. First, I have to give schedule for the chiller number 1. So how to program these timers I will show you. So friends, my time is 8 o'clock, 8 p.m. now. So I want to run it now. So I will select 20 and 20. My 21, 1 minute 20 hours and 1 minute my timer will give output and will be off on 20. Will be off on 20. I will just do it for 2 minutes. I will just do it for, I will run it for 2-3 minutes. So as it's already on, so I will show you how it will get on. So on what date, you can select the date as well. You can see this my chiller will run on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. If you want, you can select all days, or if you want to run it on any alternate days, or any you want to run it only Monday, just tick it here, and the next day you can run the other chiller. So you can program 3 times in 24 hours. Suppose you want to run it 20 on 20 hours, and after that you want to switch it off after some time, then again you want to switch it on, so you can run it here. I will disable this one, so press OK. Now it's Saturday, so let's see. We will go now, the chiller will run. So friends, you can see here the chiller number 1 is on, chiller number 1 is on from the schedule. From schedule, chiller number 1 is on, and it will be off on 20, and it will be on 3 minutes. So you can see here the time as well, 20:02. On 20:03 this will go off. As you can see, on 20:03 now the time is 20:03, so this chiller is off. So if you want to run the next chiller, you can adjust this timer on Saturday. After I will run this chiller on 20, it will be run on 05 minute and will be off on 55 20:55. You can apply this and this. As you can see, once the time reach to 20:05, this timer will be on and chiller 2 will run. So let's see friends, we will just wait for 1 minute so the timer will get on. So the timer will get on. So the timer will get on. Just 50 seconds remaining. So you will see from the schedule, chiller number 2 will get on. You will see just 30 seconds is remaining and chiller 2 will run automatically. Now next I will show you in case of fault, the next chiller will take the load. I will show you now just 10 seconds remaining, then Q2 will be energized by timer B002. You can see now you can see the time is on. So Q2 is on and it will be off after how many minutes? It's 55 minutes. So let's see, I will show you. Suppose now my chiller number 2 is going in fault. So once the external relay is energized in the chiller, it will disconnect the command from PLC input I2, and here it will be de-energized, and here this will be de-energized as this is Q3. You can take the status from here and you can put any other status for I2. So I will make it off. Suppose you received fault on I1 and this will go off. So once this is going off, you can see the same time this one is going off, and the next chiller Q1 received the command. It's switched off from schedule, as you can see from here, but once it received command when this chiller is going in fault Q2, so this one is going on. So in same like now it's receiving command from here, it's a fault signal. This is a NOR gate, this is a NOT gate. Once the input is high, the output will be low. If the low input, the output will be high. So normally when now this one, the input is high, the input is low, so the output is high because it's the inverse of the input. So I2 de-energized, and here we receive the signal. Here we have the OR gate. So the function of OR gate, any input is high, the output will be high, and this is AND gate. If all the terminals are high, this will go output only. If any one input is low, the output will be low. So how this is functioning? Now we are not receiving any command from here. we just receive command from here. We diverted the chiller number 2 command to the chiller number 1 through not gate, and through the OR gate is going to Q1. So I will show you now when Q1 is going on fault. So same time Q2 chiller number 2 will take the load. So let's see friend, I will switch off normally from the timer. I will switch off. I will disable this timer for some time. Okay, this is disabled, and I will energize from here. So this chiller will switch on 9 and will be off off 20, so I can show you the simulation. So this chiller is on friends. The chiller is on I1. The time is 9:29. Chiller will be run. Okay friends, so the chiller is on. I'm sorry, I need to energize this one. Sorry, this is the off time. So on time is 9 and off time, on time is I will make it 10, and off time I will make it 12, 14. I will increase it so you can see the simulation properly in fault. So friends, the on time is 9 and off time is 20. So apply and OK. So now chiller number 1 is on. Now I will create fault. So the fault signal will come on I1 and I1 will be de-energized. As I1 will be de-energized, this command will go through here, not gate, and not gate input will be low and the output will be high, and this command will go through the OR gate and will go to the Q2. So friends, I will de-energize I2. As you can see, as I de-energize, sorry, this is chiller number 2. I will de-energize chiller number 1. So chiller number 1 is de-energized. As in case of fault, we generated the fault, I1 will be de-energized. So once the I1 we de-energized, you can see chiller number 1 is going off and the signal is diverted, the run signal is diverted to Q2, and our chiller number 2 is running. So friends, this is how you can make a program for 2 chillers, one standby and duty, and schedule is changed through timer, and in case of fault the other timer is receiving the command automatically. So I hope you are able to configure your timer in the PLC. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Please keep watching my videos. Like the video